Hi, it's Anna and Matt from Dance from Home.
Welcome to our demo class to the song Rewrite the Stars. Guys, our left hand is on our partner's waist, our right is extended diagonally down, this way.
Girls, we are on our right and we also grab our dress with our right hand. We look at our partner.
Okay, from here we'll show you the next steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this time we'll rotate to the left in this position. Okay, here we do not count the amount of our steps, so you can take more or less steps. Take short steps.
Okay, guys, so you have two options for this rotation. First option, we can look at each other. Second option, you can look outside and tilt slightly to the right, so outside. And maybe we will show you, okay? So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now, during this rotation, try to maintain the same level of your head. So, don't jump.
Let's try to do it first or second option.
We go.
Second option. And
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so during 4 counts, we want to finish the entire circle. And after that, girls, we continue the rotation and we want to finish in front of the audience. So one more half of a turn, okay?
So girls, you continue to rotate in the direction of your left arm.
Yes, so from here, we just take several steps on the spot and we turn to the left. We want to finish in front of the audience, back to our partner. How to do this transition? From here, we need to raise our right arm up to the ceiling. Here, we release our left, and from here, our right hand goes down and we leave our hand close to our face and we finish in this position. Okay, so one more time. From here we raise our right arm, release your left, go down, finish in this position. Very good.
At the end, guys, our hands are on ladies' waist. We stand on both feet a little bit wider than our hips. Okay, in this way. Let's dance the last figures, so our rotation to the left and ladies half of a turn.
This time you can look at each other.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
One more thing, I don't know if we have told you already, that you can start with your left or right leg. It doesn't really matter and you can take as many steps as you need. Okay?
Yes. Okay, so let's continue with next steps.
Okay.
So we have finished here. Now just watch.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so first our side steps. What do we do here? First, girls, you go to the right. Guys, we go to the left and we come back. Then to the other side. Guys to the right, girls to the left. We take same steps, but in opposite directions. First, girl steps.
Girls, I will show you back to you. So we go to the right and then come back. Left and come back, right and come back, left and come back. Make sure that your right leg is bent and left is bent, okay? Because otherwise we would look like this, okay? So bend your knees, it's going to be more comfortable.
Guys, we have the same steps, but we start from our left to the side. So we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. One more time to the counting. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. As you can see, we do not transfer our body weight entirely to the left here and then to the right here, but we are somewhere in the middle. Left, come back, okay? Because if you transfer your weight entirely to the leg to the side, you won't have much time to come back, okay? So we just go left and come back, right and come back, okay? 1 and 2. 3 and 4. Okay?
Very good.
Let's try to do it together. So, guys, you know your hands are on your partner's waist. First we go girls to the right, girls to the
Guys to the left.
Guys to the left. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our dance lesson, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. If you want to learn how to dance step by step, go to dancefromhome.com and start your online dance classes today. Also, remember to find us on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks again and see you soon!